So to clean out this filter, all you want to do is have water go in from the inside of it, just like that. And you just work your way around. Using hot water helps. Now my filter's nice and clean. Now my filter's nice and clean. Let's reinstall it. Just pops right back into there, and it's just like a little small turn. You kind of have to turn it a little bit, and then it'll sort of slide down. Let's see, where was that spot? So turn it, it slides down, and then it's just a small turn. Make sure it's nice and tight.